The world record's 25 and 30 seconds.
Hey, this is Bex. We're gonna do a Peeps Marshmallow Challenge. We're gonna have a 100 each between each contestant. And of course I have Dennis, and he's from DC, and he's gonna be representing his side. I've never done this, and have you done 2 challenges? No. So we're just gonna go with it. We're gonna do the best we can.
Go.
I don't know what I'm up to. I have like so many comments about like, I never want to eat again after this. I'm trying to pull. How do people do this? Let me know if you can't make it to the end, because I'm starting to wonder myself, man. You just let me know when you gotta tap out, because I'm trying to be a good sport, man.
Training's 25. Yeah, 3 rows.
25? Oh, the web one. Buddy, if it's the last thing I do with this plate. Okay. Good man. Good try. I don't know. I don't know. I think it was like an equal, like, that's it. I never want to look at these again. Oh. Oh yeah. Any other thoughts that were going through your head while you're doing this? Oh my gosh, thanks for coming out, dude.
So we actually did the official count. So what?
32.
You 32. He ate 32 and I ate 33. I still don't see how people can do 100 in a minute. Okay.
Now what the heck do I do with all these? I have an idea. Hey, I'm short-handed for a light bulb, okay? Cheers. I don't think the thing can die. That's it. I'm taking matters in my own hands. Easter s'mores. Oh yeah, little charred. What, me try it?
No, I've had my fill of these altogether. Good. No, not us, not us. Oh yeah, you're going in.
Well, that's it. I guess we try, you know, it's adventures and misadventures on this channel. Thanks for watching. Over now.
I came prepared in case I got Pepto-Bismol.